Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be filming my son, Mason, picking out my makeup. So I'm going to do a full look with everything he picked out today. He actually picked it all out yesterday and I'm filming the tutorial part today so I know everything that I'm about to dive into. If you're curious, definitely stay tuned to the next clip and watch him pick it out. It's so cute because he was so willing to just pick out products and it was like the fastest thing ever. I swear I thought it was going to take so long. I actually tried doing like my dog picks my makeup one time and it took absolutely forever. But obviously Mason's more interested in things and it took no time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of you requested it, so I'm excited to film it for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and also hit that post notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. If you guys want to see the look that I come up with that Mace picked out for me, then let's just go ahead and hop on into it. So we have a little bit of hiccups, but try to get rid of them. Oh no. Do you see yourself? I need you to pick between this one, and this one. Which primer? Wow, okay, good job. Mommy loves that one. Alright. Which one of these should Mommy get? Which one? That one? Okay. Alright, Bubby, foundation. This is a big one. Which foundation should Mommy wear? What? Okay, this one. Which one? The middle one? I'll take that, thank you. You're so good. Now we're gonna go to powders. Which one? Wow! I can do that. Thank you, Bubby. You're so smart. This one and this one. Which one? All right. I love that one. And now we're going to go to blushes. Blush. Really? That one? You like that one best? Oh. This is another big one, Bubby. Highlighter. Which one? Oh, the high glass? Okay. Okay, for brow products, we have a few different options. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Which one do you think? That one? Oh, oh, thank you. This one or this one? Yay! I love that one. Next up, we will do eyeshadow palettes. This one is very colorful. Oh, okay. Which lip liner? Okay, I can't do all 4. Let me spread them out. I'm sorry. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Pick one. Okay. I can work with that. Here, I'll take that back though. Thank you. You're so good. We have 3 lip products. Ooh. You bougie, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. This is going a lot quicker than I honestly thought it was going to go. Which one do you think Mommy should use? All right. Oh, no. Let's not do that. Last but not least, big boy, this is the bonus round. This is going to determine what we switch out, okay? You ready? 1, 2, and 3. Which one? Oh, no way. Thumbs up to Mace for picking all these out so quickly. Are you so excited? You did so good. Say yay. Also, if you didn't know, I dyed my hair darker. Back to the dark side. Mason knows his mom, so he did pick out the Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Spray. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this. And then, originally he did pick out this NYX pore filler. As you guys saw, I had like a random round, I guess, of different products I've never tried. So it was 3 new products I've never tried. And he ended up picking out this REVLON ONYX primer. It's a blurring and mattifying black gel primer. So we're gonna switch out this for this product, which you guys saw this in my NYX video anyways. If you check that out, I did like that. But we're gonna see what this primer is all about. This is what it looks like. It is literally just a black primer. And we're gonna just hop right into it, I guess. Doesn't really have any directions on it. This is from Makeup Revolution. So there's the primer. I'm just going to I actually haven't seen anyone use this product, so I'm excited to see if it like actually mattifies. It looks like super ashy on my skin right now. I'm just hoping that it sinks into the skin. I'm wiping off like any excess product that I have on my hands on like this towel that I have in front of me. Okay, you know what? We're gonna roll with it because you see the line of like dark. Oh, if you guys saw, I did a foundation review on one of their newer foundations and it was like, oh my God. Oh, my Lanta. I am gonna just take a towel and get this line right here. We're gonna keep moving. Thanks, Mace, for picking out this primer. Can't say I'm going to use that again, but we're going to keep going. He did pick out a powder foundation, so we will be doing this after I get my concealer on. And I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. This is the one that he picked out of the bunch, and that's what we're going to use today. This is in the shade 34, and it looks pretty dark. I wonder if I have another shade in there. I'm going to just put this over my redness and like, you know, the 5 o'clock shadow that I now have everywhere. It didn't really like sink into the skin or blend like as well as I thought. Like, do you see that? I did have another shade. This one's in 30. So we're using 34 on the redness, and then we're gonna use 30 right underneath my eyes. Brighten this up, down the nose, a little bit here, and we'll kind of adjust as we go. Why am I so low? I'm so sorry about that. Taking a sponge, we're gonna blend this out. I have high hopes. No matter if the primer works or not, I think we can make this work, you know, because we've got some good products in here that he chose. So his concealer is obviously blending out beautifully. Looks great on the skin. I wish I could have the Makeup Forever HD foundation work for my skin, but it just does not. Makes me look incredibly oily and like doesn't do anything for my texture. But I always heard such good things about it from YouTubers like back in the day, and I would be like, oh, I wish I could try it and like wear it, but it just does not look good on my skin. But the concealer we can definitely work with. I actually just got in the new Too Faced concealer, which I'm pumped to try. I might save it for a video. I also have a new Neutrogena one and then new Tarte bronzers. I have a Sephora order coming in too. So we're just gonna try that out. I have it coming in Wednesday, so I'll film that Thursday, like trying some new makeup. I don't think it's a full face at all, but I'm gonna try a bunch of different things out for you guys. I'm gonna add just a touch of concealer. I get like really bad blackheads and stuff in this area. It's so annoying. I wish I could be one of those people that could go get a facial all the time, but like I just can't do it. Setting time to do that kind of stuff is just like, ugh. Got that on, and I'm gonna go ahead and quickly just set that with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. This is another product that he did pick out. I gave him 3 different options, so it was like one of my ultimate favorites, one product that's like a favorite, I do like it, and then a product I didn't like. And he just ended up choosing some good stuff. So I did really like this powder from the video that I did. I didn't put in the Too Faced Peach Perfect while doing this video because I was like, listen, they know I love it. All right, they know I love it. Oh, speaking of, I told you guys I had the concealer. It smells so peachy. I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be too peachy. Like, I mean, I love the powder. I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be like too intense, you know? So I just use this to kind of set everything before we go in with the powder foundation because I don't want the concealer to really move. I did just use a light layer, believe it or not. I don't know if it looks like it, but I just used a light layer to really set all of that so we could be good to go. The foundation Mace chose for me is the Aquasurance Compact Foundation from JCat Beauty. I did do a video on this not long ago. I feel like when it first came out, so it's probably long ago. I believe I liked it. I just couldn't get a good shade. So now I have 2 shades. I have medium beige and soft tan. Soft tan was just like really deep for me, but we're still gonna try it out and see. I can't remember if I've done 2 videos on this or just one. Probably just the one because it doesn't look like I've dabbled into this. So we're just gonna kind of mix the shades. They're not too different, but this one is a little bit more neutral. This one's a little bit more red. We'll see how it goes. First we'll go in with medium beige and we'll just see what this looks like on the skin. It has really good coverage, this powder foundation. I remember when I first applied it, I was like, what? This is so full coverage. Truly, because it's so hard to find powder foundations that are incredibly full coverage. I mean, the Makeup Forever one, you guys know I absolutely love. Talked about it 500 times. I haven't really found one that kind of like tops it, but this was one of the contenders that was like, wow, I like this almost as much as the Makeup Forever one. I think I'm just gonna stick with this color because the medium beige is working for me. So I'm kind of trying to work this back onto my forehead where it is gray. Setting that concealer before we went in with this powder foundation just helps kind of make sure everything stays. You put all that work in with the concealer, you don't want it to like move everywhere. I am just going in with my powder foundation on my eyes, just so everything's cohesive and we don't have white eyelids and like a tan face. I like the medium beige color more, I feel like. And then if I were to get a little tan, I would just use soft tan, but medium beige looks pretty good. That is from JCat Beauty. Like I said, very cute packaging. Next up, we have bronzer. So he did pick out a good bronzer, and that is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm just going to use a light amount of this because it is a darker shade. This one's in Endless Summer. Take this brush that I like to use for really pigmented bronzers, and we're just going to put it on the cheeks. I love this bronzer, you guys. It's just, it smells like summer. If you need something to get you in the mood for warmer weather, this is it. Definitely give them a shot if you've never tried them before. So I'm gonna take a clean brush really quickly and just kind of blend this out. Okay, now we're going into blush. So the blush that Mace chose is this BOXUM Wonderlust Primer Infused blush in Seychelles. I have no idea, but this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I have not used this on my skin yet, but it looks really nice. So I'm just gonna take a light brush and dust this on my skin. And we're just gonna buff that on the cheeks. I haven't really tried this whole primer infused line. Ooh, this has like a shine to it. Oh no, 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 no. I believe I've used the peach one from this collection actually, now that I start thinking about it, but this one is no. That had a shine to it, and let me tell you, I can't do a shiny blush. It just never works for my texture and my skin. It doesn't work. And then for highlighter, he did choose this High Glass Finishing Powder, and this is gonna be like a nice subtle highlight, so I'm here for it. I'm excited about it. So I'm gonna take this Flower Beauty highlighter brush, or concealer brush, I don't know what they call it, and we're just gonna dust this on the face. Just a really pretty highlighter that's nothing too intense. Like, it doesn't look like you're wearing a ton of highlighter, you know? That blush really is just not doing it for me. Especially on this side of my face where I have texture problems right now. I'm gonna take my bronzer and contour my nose just a little bit. Does the time change have anybody else feeling some type of way? I don't know when you guys are gonna see this. Probably in a couple weeks, but oh my gosh, I cannot get on my routine with the time change for some reason. It's just like I can feel it, but I'm hoping after this week, you know, we will be good. I need to know, did you guys feel that way during the time change or not? So we've got our highlighter, our face makeup on, we're doing good. And then next up for eyeshadow, he actually chose this one. So this is the JUVIA'S Place palette. This is what he chose. I've had this forever, but I love this palette. He also picked out this lip liner that's a little bit deeper, so we could do a very bronzy, pretty look today. I'm excited. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dive into this palette, and we will apply it all over. That is the eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. What he chose was this NYX Professional Precision Brow Pencil, and I'm going to just fill in these bad boys quickly. And then he also chose, because I put out 2 brow setters, and he picked out the Makeup Revolution brow gel, which you guys know I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill these in really quickly, and then we will move on to our lips. Brows are on. I'm going to go back into that palette and take the shade we've been highlighting with, and I'm going to apply that in a little bit of this color too underneath my brows. So we have 3 lip products. We have a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick that he chose. So the lip liner is a super deep one. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On Always a Turn On in the shade Intimidate. And then we have a Revlon Ultra HD lip polish in the shade Act Natural. I can't see. And then this MAC lipstick in Fleur de Coral, which, guess what? All of these, they're gonna work because we have like the lightest, semi-light, and we have dark. And we're gonna mix and make it work. It's a creamy, creamy liner, but I'm very lightly taking it over my lips. You can see how creamy it is. I just rubbed my lips together and it went to the top. So I love these. That's why I never ever really purchase high-end lip liners unless I'm doing like a review, because dude, there's so many good drugstore lip liners that like I just can't get myself to want to buy a high-end lip liner. Only time I buy them is like if they've been really hyped up, like the Charlotte Tilbury one I bought because everyone raved about it. Very lightly, like I said. Another great thing to have if you're doing this is a lip brush. I never use lip brushes, but honestly right now I wish I had one. Do I have one? I'm like looking. Wait, I have this one. This is a lip brush. Like the makeup gods are just sitting here with me like, hold on girl, let me help you real quick. Now we are going to go in with this MAC lipstick. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to take the Revlon product, which is like a gloss. It's really pretty. It's very pigmented too. I'm just gonna put it in the center and dab it out because I don't want that color to take over the other lip colors we have on. And then Mace did pick out a setting spray. So we've got the Urban Decay De-Slick. It's a good one. It's a good one. And I'm just gonna set my entire face. Okay guys, so we have set the makeup and I totally forgot about mascara and liner, but we're just gonna keep moving. So overall, I like the look and like the idea of the look. I like the eyeshadow, obviously the brows, the lips are cool, love the bronzer, but like my base makeup's just looking a little bit off to me. And I think it kind of started with this primer being so gray on my skin and just not really sinking in. So don't love this. On top of that, this blush from BOXUM in the shade Seychelles. I don't know how, I have no idea how you say it. It's Seychelles. This also looks so gray in these areas, and it's just it's more of a glowy blush, and those never look good on my skin. I'm gonna have to pass on this. Other than that, we look very bronzed. The only thing I would change is like I'm gonna get off and definitely fix my face makeup. But let me know what you guys thought down below in the comments. Have you tried this primer? Let me know because I'm so curious if you like it or not. Again, I haven't really seen anybody try this, so let me know your thoughts. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!